No. A little bit. What number is it on?
2.
Go to 3 and that's it. Move out of the way. Alright, you can drop it back down to 2. 2!
Oh.
Drop it down to 2.
Drop it down.
Well, shut it.
It's so fast. 2.
Go ahead, Olivia.
See how hard you put me.
Watch out, Joe.
Maybe I should put it on number 3. Was like, wow.
Don't hit the camera. So watch out.
Can I go on the piggy?
Because you fall.
Did I put it on 1?
Lola.
Lola, you want to go on there? Lola, you want to go? Can Lola go on there? Daddy, can Lola go on there?
I don't think so.
It's so low.
Yeah, I don't think she's going to want to. You could try.
We only go to places that have fires. So the Rio's on its way.
But it seems that Las Vegas now is like the fashion mecca with entertainment. They're not casinos anymore, they're resorts.
Yeah, I guess there's still casinos.
Yeah, but they're trying to change.
Olivia doesn't want her on it.
12, 15 years ago, there weren't any good restaurants. And that's one big difference. I moved out here from New Jersey.
She doesn't want her on it, honey.
New York City, there's good restaurants all the time, everywhere.
She's so attractive.
Come on, Piggy.
Largest shrimp consumption per capita in the country right here in Las Vegas, and we're very proud of that, all of us. But it was a thing with the shows, when you came out here.
Oh my God, I don't want to go on there.
Vegas could not have been hipper. I mean, you had the Sinatra and the Rat Pack playing here, Tiny Taylor right here in '68. I mean, highest paid entertainer at that time, by the way, was Tiny Taylor. And you had the people that were really happening playing here. And by the time, then it just went, in the 70s, other than, the kind of hipness and having Elvis, but that whole time, 70s, 80s, and early 90s, it's all really bad George Burns impersonators. It's really, really embarrassing. And then, coincidental with us coming here, but maybe not caused by that,